Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this, I'll walk you through key eligibility steps and document tips in friendly, plain language. Confirm you meet job, language, and medical requirements before applying. Ask your employer for detailed job offer and LMIA if required, or verify IEC or intracompany transfer options. Gather ID, proof of funds, and qualifications, and get certified translations if needed. Keep all documents organized, name files clearly, and scan them at high resolution before uploading. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. For a fresh car aroma, try Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a pleasant commute after long forms. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel, and if you have questions, drop them below, please. Now let's get back to the video. Complete the application accurately and review every field before submission. Pay attention to forms like IMM 1295 or other relevant paperwork and follow form-specific instructions. Use the IRC online portal to upload documents, pay fees, and submit biometrics information when prompted. Double-check payment receipts and tracking numbers, and save confirmation pages securely. Be prepared to receive instructions for medical exams and police certificates, and respond promptly to any additional requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.